Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Portronics Decibel I wireless soundbar. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the soundbar. On the top left, we have the Portronics branding and the Decibel I branding underneath that. On the right hand side and on the left hand side of the package, we have the Portronics logo. On the top, we have a bit of description that says 10 watt powerful sound output. We also have a close-up image of the various buttons and input interfaces on the side of the soundbar. On the bottom of the package, we have a few of the salient features, which include latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, USB slot, 2200 mAh battery, micro SD card slot, up to 6 hours of playtime, TWS connectivity, clock and alarm. On the right hand side, we have a sticker that shows that this product is BIS certified. Underneath that, we have some importing and manufacturing information, and below that, we have some information regarding the customer care. The bottom of the package is exactly the same as the front, and that's about it in terms of what is out on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature. First up is a registration card. We have all the information that you would need to register for the warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have a user manual, and this should give you a brief on all the functions and buttons of this soundbar. We also get a couple of cables. This one is a 3.5 mm audio jack to micro USB cable. The 3.5 mm jack is of the TRS kind. The cable is approximately 30 inches long. The second cable is the charging cable, and it has a USB type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. This too is approximately 30 inches long. Coming to the product itself, we have the Portronics branding on the front. It is on this speaker grill right here. To the side of the speaker grill, we have an LCD display that would display the time and or which mode it is in. For example, it would light up if it were in Bluetooth mode, TF mode, USB mode, or auxiliary mode. The rest of the soundbar has a glossy black or piano black kind of finish. On this side, it is a plain matte plastic, and on the other side, we have the various buttons to control this soundbar, and we also have the various input interfaces. Let's start with the buttons. We have the volume buttons on the left, and on the extreme right, we have the power or mode button. To the left of the power button, we have the pause and play button. Underneath that, we have a USB type A interface, a micro USB interface for charging, and a TF card slot. So this was the unboxing of the Portronics Decibel I wireless soundbar. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.